700 miles, woo! So close to where I got off trail last year.
Another 700.
Yep. Alright y'all, so I just passed the 700 mile mark this morning. It is so cold and windy up here. I literally cannot believe that this is May. Like, it is so cold for being May. I was even cold last night. I was so cold at one point that I was like, I need to bring my filter in my tent. I don't think it froze, but just to be safe, yeah. It also rained super hard last night, and the wind was going all night. There was thunder, there was lightning. The ridge was not an ideal place to camp last night, but we made it work. And today we have some super fun and exciting things coming up. So it just hit the 700 mile mark. That's a big one to start with. We camped at mile 699.6 last night, so we were basically like right at it. Here in just a couple miles, I'm gonna hit Dragon's Tooth. So that's the beginning of the Virginia Triple Crown. And then I get to do the fun but challenging climb down Dragon's Tooth. And then Forlo and I are thinking about going to the Catawba grocery to get some pizza for lunch. And then after that is the moment that I've kind of been looking forward to the most during this whole trip. I'm gonna hit the part of the trail that I got off last year. So it's mile like 710.5 and there's a parking lot there. I'm so excited to get there. I've been excited to get there since I walked through the arch at Amapola Falls, so it's awesome. And then after that we have McAfee Knob, and I'm not sure how far we're gonna make it. We're either gonna go to the shelter after McAfee Knob, or we're gonna continue on to the one after Tinker Cliffs. Anyways, I'm expecting today to be a really awesome day. The sun is finally out after a couple days, and hopefully it warms up soon. These views. So pretty.
Those are pretty.
Yeah, they are. So I'm working on the descent down from Dragon's Tooth now. All the rhododendrons are blooming and they're so pretty. The descent down wasn't too bad. Of course, it is pretty rocky. I didn't film a ton of it because I needed my hands to climb down, so yeah. I think we're like a mile from the road and we're gonna stop there and get some lunch. Pizza time. Also have some mozzarella sticks that are cooking right now. Back on trail after having lunch at the Catawba grocery. It was delicious, but now I'm tired. 4.2 miles to where I got off trail last year. It's crazy. Doing this section of trail right now feels really weird. And hopefully y'all can hear me over the wind in the creek right here. When I was doing this section last year, I obviously was not in a good mental space. So being back in the same place makes me feel a little bit anxious. It's kind of weird. At the same time, I also feel incredibly excited to hike past where I got off last year. So, like I said, it's just a weird combination of feelings. I'm gonna take my time the next 4 miles and just really take it in and enjoy it. The pizza and mozzarella sticks and soda before climbing straight uphill in the heat, not my best idea. My stomach was very upset for a minute there. I didn't know if I was going to be able to like keep everything down, but I think I'm okay now, so that's good. And I'm pretty sure I just ate too much. I'm like less than half of a mile from where I got off the trail last year. Not really feeling anxious anymore, just feeling excited. Also, my stomach feels better, so that's good. But I literally can't wait to like not know what's coming around the next corner now. Not that I remember like every little part of the trail that I did last year, but you know, the like nice views and cool like historical sites aren't really a surprise to me. But here in like 10 minutes, everything is going to be brand new. That is so awesome. And of course, the brand new landmark that I get to hit is McAfee Knob, so I am so excited. This is it. Final steps on trail I've walked before. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I'm like a little bit less than 2 miles from McAfee Knob and like 2.5 miles from the shelter we're staying at tonight. I am so excited to get up there. This part of the trail has just been beautiful. Of course, it is straight uphill, but it's amazing. I got our room booked in Daleville for tomorrow night, so we're good to go there. It's gonna be so nice to get a shower, do some laundry, eat some food, and figure out what our next resupply is gonna look like. This climb up to McAfee Knob is really not that bad at all. For some reason, it looks a lot worse than far out. Only like a half a mile to go. Ooh, this one's just as good. They do not care. My phone died after filming the deer, but I made it to the shelter. Have a good night.